So hello and welcome to Code with Alvin. We are going to learn the basics of HTML and how you can start your HTML from scratch. So with me here I have this folder named HTML. I'm gonna open it. As you can see here, there is nothing inside, it's only image. So I'm gonna open the folder using my text editor, that is open code with VS. Now with the text editor already running, we're gonna create a file here. We're gonna name it index.html. So we have the index.html, but we have nothing displayed on it. So we have to can choose to type the word ht, then come and select HTML5. Or there's another way. Let me just delete this one. You can press on your keyboard Shift and then press the exclamation mark command, that is 1, then press enter. So once this is displayed, you can see they have the title here. I'm gonna change it to First HTML Practice, and that is the title we are going to use. And for today's lesson, we are going to talk about the headers. So I'm gonna have my comments here. Right, headers. So in HTML we have 6 headers, and ranging from H1 to H6. So I'm gonna just type here the headers. We have H1, have H2, have H3, have H4, have H5, and finally we have H6. So we're going to create our first header, that is H1. Just type H1, press enter, and then we can type first HTML, press enter. I'm gonna create a second heading named H2. You can type second HTML. I'm gonna create a third until we reach the 6th. H3, third HTML. I'm gonna H4, fourth HTML. Gonna H5, fifth HTML. Then the last one, H6, sixth HTML. And there from there we're gonna see how these headings will be displayed on our browser. So we're just gonna right click, then open with Knives app. So here is our text on the browser, and as you can see here you have first HTML, second HTML, third HTML, fourth HTML, fifth HTML, and finally 6th HTML. Okay, thank you for watching. Can we see you on the next lesson? Bye bye.